Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your age on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to change your TikTok account age, so let's see how can you do that. So you have to simply open your TikTok app here, and here just have your profile option in the bottom right corner, then tap on the horizontal lines in the top right corner here, then tap on settings and privacy. So basically in TikTok you haven't any direct way to change your age. But you can still do that by reporting an issue on your TikTok support. So you just have to go down, look for Help Center here, tap on that. Here you will get the option of account. You must have to tap on see more option under account section. Then select editing profile option. And here you will not get the option of updating age. You must have to select the option of other. And here just select need more help. And after that you must have to enter your issue here. You must have to enter as you have to write a message that you are unable to change your age on TikTok so help or something like that. And after that you can send it to your TikTok support team. And after that TikTok will let you now on your Gmail account, or you can directly fix your issue or change your date, age, or date of birth in your TikTok account. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.